Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add and refill solution to your Ecovacs. This is the Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're interested in this X8 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first thing we have to do is identify where the cleaning solution is, and it's going to be under this Ecovacs branded cover. So just pull that right off. Just comes off just like so. And on the left-hand side we have our solution tank right here. The rest is history. They even have instructions for you on here. But go ahead, you can open up the lid at the top, add your solution, and you can fill it just about all the way up if you want. There's a good guideline right there on both sides that you could use as a reference. And then you just put it right back in the station just like so, and that's it. You're all set and ready to go. So remove, fill up, and put right back in. And then you can reattach the cover as well. And that's it.